Thank you for backers. So we got the sample right before Chinese New Year. And there's going to be a little surprise in here. So this is the first. So it looks like the game is done. Oh, there's even a nice little plastic thing.
Tape.
Tape, yeah.
Just open it.
This is why we get samples. I think this is a little bit too hard to open without it ripping.
I'll make the box a little
Yep. Okay. Rob, would you like to open those? Here's the rules and instructions. And then second cards are right here. Alrighty. Well, the cards color is printed great. Card quality is good. And then there is going to be another cool little surprise. Get the instructions back in here. So Joe has been working on another game with us. I'm Mark, by the way, and that's Rob. We're the founders of Golden Bell, and Rachel's, well, she's the other founder. She's holding the camera. So also Blitz, we will probably be offering this for sale in the backer kit, so anyone can pick up this game as well. Rob, while I open that, you can show those cards.
Pretty much the same. You guys can see.
So yeah, let us know if you guys would like us to put Blitz in the backer kit as a game that you can also buy, or if you'd rather us run another Kickstarter for Blitz after you get 4 in the next couple months. So Chinese New Year's right now, factory's coming back at the end of February, so they plan to print everything right then because everything is now approved. And you should be getting the games probably a little bit earlier than summer, probably end of spring. And the rules. Joe, the only edit I have for you, I just realized we need to add the 4. It has to go there, so we'll have to extend the rule book a little bit. And then these are the last cards for Blitz. So this is the table that we've done a lot of the play testing with Joe for when he's brought it over. We actually all happen to be in Columbus.
Dog birthday.
All right. All right. Thank you, everyone.